Hi everyone, in this video we're gonna continue our series of ranking random products to the first page. In the previous part we did go with the letter F, so right now we're gonna go with the letter G and let's search for a product. Let's go with Grinch decor. But before we choose a product, we need to choose a page that we're gonna rank our product from, so let's go to random number generator. And as usual, let's go from 10 to 20. Page number 19. This is gonna be very interesting. Just look how easy it is to get a product from the page 19 to the first page. Page equal 19. And let's choose this product. And this is the product. As you can see, it's not very popular, it has only 5 reviews, and it doesn't have any badges like popular now or bestseller badge, and this might change by the end of the video, so stay tuned. So as you can see, even if you have a good product with nice photos and affordable price, it's not sure that you are gonna get to the first page. So let's change that. So to rank this product to the first page, we're gonna need to do 2 things. The first thing is copy our listing ID that you can find in a URL and drop it in our ranking tool. And then copy our keyword, the same keyword that we searched for, Grinch decor, and drop it in our ranking tool. And that's it. As usual, we need to wait for a couple of days till the product is successfully on the first page. So see you in a moment. 2 days has passed. We received a notification from the tool that the product is successfully on the first page, so let's check that out. But before we do that, we need to clean our cookies because Etsy is giving us suggestions based on our search history. So if you want to see if the product is really on the first page, we need to clean that out. So to do that, we're gonna go to settings, cookies, Etsy, and delete. And boom, we have a clear page. Right now we search for our keyword, Grinch decor, and look for our product that is supposed to be here, and yep, it is here. So as you can see, right now it has the badge popular now, and it might even be a bestseller. Yes, it is a bestseller. So in the beginning of the video, this product did not have any views, it did not have any badges, but right now, as we can see, it has the popular now badge, it has the bestseller badge. So if you like how our tool works, you can contact us at any moment, all links are in the description. Thank you for watching.